Hello everyone, it's Crystal Adamo here over at RE/MAX Rockview Real Estate and the Crystal Adamo team. Today I'm really happy to show you this great townhouse that is a bi-level with 2 bedrooms. It has seen some recent renovations, including a full kitchen and bathroom reno. It also has a fully fenced yard, making it quite unique. It is a condo that will not last very long, so I do encourage you to come and view it, and let's make a deal on this one.